Wow, done.
How does it taste? This nice. High five. I watched a video recently where the person spoke about the things we do when we remember that we have free will and we can do whatever we want. So I was like, okay, this has been on my mind for some time, so might as well try it. Hey foodie fam, how you doing? How have you been? So I made this chocolate crunchy sandwich using cocoa pops, chocolate spread, and granuts or peanuts, whatever name you know it as. It has been on my mind because I'm a chocolate lover and I really wanted to know what it tasted like. So I went ahead to mix it all together. And yeah, of course, I kept tasting it even before I was done making the whole recipe. Please don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, share. Let me know what you think about this combination and if you are willing to try it, because I've heard people eat cereal with bread, but not in this manner or not with this kind of combination. If you're a chocolate lover like me, please identify yourself in the comments. Let's know ourselves. Thank you guys for watching this video. Please don't forget to recreate and tag me on Instagram at Luscious Diaries when you do, and I'll be sure to repost your picture. Also, if you're yet to subscribe to this channel, please go ahead and tap the subscribe button and the bell that will appear after. And to all my subscribers, I love you all so much. Bye guys.